Forgotten username recovery failed on EveryDollar Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your EveryDollar username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because EveryDollar now uses email-based login instead of traditional usernames. Guessing your username usually leads nowhere and only wastes time. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Open the EveryDollar app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. This allows EveryDollar to securely identify your account. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather your full name, recent transaction details, or any account-specific information. EveryDollar uses this data to confirm you're the rightful account owner. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If the recovery email does show up immediately, check your spam or junk folders, it often lands there. Step 4. If these steps fail, contact EveryDollar support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts haven't worked. Provide the requested information, and their team will guide you through a secure recovery process. The surprising truth is that losing your username doesn't mean you're locked out permanently. Email-based login simplifies access while improving security, so once your identity is verified, you'll regain full control. By following these steps, you can regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email, verify your identity when needed, and you'll be back managing your budget on EveryDollar without stress.